Hello everyone. In this question we are going to see an application of arithmetic progressions AP. So we'll see how a real life problem can be solved using arithmetic progressions. That's a very interesting thing. So a boulder rolled down a mountain traveling 6 feet in the first second. Each successive second its distance gets increased by 8 feet. So for the first second it's 6 feet. Second it will be increased by 8 feet, so it will become 14. Third second it will become 22, and so on. So that's how we know that it is an arithmetic progression, like we are adding a same number 8 to get to the next term. How far did the boulder travel after 10 seconds? So we have to add all of these at the end, and we have to add up to 10 seconds how much distance it has traveled. So if we are going to add it, we can directly use the sum formula of arithmetic sequence. So directly we have our first term as 6 feet. That's our first term, A1. We have the common difference of 8. We are adding 8 to get to the next term, so that's common difference. And we have to find out what the sum after 10 seconds, so you can say that n is equals to 10 over here. Substituting the values in the sum expression of arithmetic sequence, 2 times 6 plus 10 minus 1 times 8, and after simplifying we get 420 feet. So that's a ball that has started in the first second and has traveled 6 feet. After 10 seconds, the total distance would have been 420 feet. I hope you understand this application of arithmetic sequence in real life problems. I hope you can use this arithmetic expressions more often to real life problems so that you get a better hang of it. I hope you understand this. Thank you.